Can you hear me? Yes. Now, good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine, good. Now, some people are there yesterday, right? How many are new? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, we'll have some kind of introduction. Like first 4, 5 days, we'll have again and again and again introduction of the course. And then we'll move into the whatever the topics we discussed yesterday. And then we'll move into the whatever the topics we are going to discuss. Okay. Now, let's start. Welcome to the course of full stack web development with UI and React. Okay. Now, so that after the course, you are going to become a full stack UI developer so that you can create your own full stack apps or the website. Now, the purpose of this particular course is for web development. Okay. Now, course contains topics like basic front end, which involves UI UX design, which is like Figma, and HTML, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, which are advanced, and SCSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, advanced JavaScript, jQuery, which is also called as Blocks. This is the basic front end. To learn this basic front end, it will take it like 50 sessions. 50 sessions after the demos. Like the first 4 or 5 days, it would be the demos. Mostly by Friday or kind of Monday, we will have it like a new, complete starting. Now, from that day, it will take it like 50 sessions. You will complete the basic front end. After that, you will have another 50 sessions where you can learn React, basic and advanced, and you will learn libraries. You will learn Redux and Redux toolkit kind of things. It will take then another 50 sessions or 40 sessions. It depends. It depends on the faculty. And it also depends on you. Sir, can I do parallelly? Yes, you can always do parallelly. The advanced front end React and the backend, you can do parallelly. You can even start backend now also. Without any knowledge of HTML also, you can start the backend. The kind of difficult it will be. It's not that much smooth. Now, next, backend and database, which will take it like some kind of 35 to 40 sessions. So, which will contain Node, Express, authentications, authorization, sessions, MongoDB, etc. We also cover tools such as VS Code, Git and GitHubs, APIs, Netlify, Firebase, Docker, Kubernetes, Tailwind. Okay. The total time it will take it, if you go for serially, one after the another, it will take it like 5 months. But I highly recommend after the first 50 sessions, which is like after the first 2 months, you will have basic front end. Then go for React and the backend parallelly. That will complete in 3 to 4 months. Are you getting my point, ma? Is it clear? Yeah. So, my name is Prasad. I'm a full stack web developer, main and MERN stacks, currently working in Verizon. Last 6 years, I've been training and the industry experience. Now, let's see what we have discussed in previous ones. We discussed about something called problem solving. What we discussed, sir? Open your mouth, sir, because see, only 20 people are there, max to max, offline. Online, I think 60 people are there, no? Yeah, 52 only. So, offline, I can go and ask each and every person also. That will make it more better. Okay? Because we both have to survive for 5 months. Okay? So, you guys should know me, I should know you guys. That will continue. Now, so first thing, why problem solving, sir? Because you should know how to solve a problem first before you actually build it. Right or not? Now, so I will give one problem, sir. Yesterday we did so many problems and people gave me so many solutions also. Today I will give one problem. You tell me how to do that. Let me start the problem. Problem statements. So many teenagers or freshers lacks motivation or loses interest easily in coding after specific time. After specific time. What the problem is, we all are not coders now. Until the BTech, we are not coders. Until our degree, we are not coders. Now we have to do code because that is how we earn. Okay. So now we came to the coding. 1 hour, okay, acha hai. 2 hours, acha hai. 3, 4. What if someone asks you to code it for some 5 hours? Then we will feel boring. What if we have to do 5 days, 5 hours continuous? Then it will be too much work. Sometimes you need to work it for 12 hours, 13 hours also for coding. Automatically, freshers are getting scared and they are feeling it some kind of motivation. One error they are getting, they are lacking the motivation. Sometimes, one error will take it like whole life. You know that? Like one day I got a simple error which like took me whole night to solve it. It's a simple dot error. So the point is, when you get some kind of errors, it will take so much time now. But people has to try for it now. Right or not? You want to build one website, sir. Do you think everything will be smooth until you build the site? No. Suddenly some obstacle will come. Something will stop. And then again you will get, after specific time, again you will get depressed. Right or not? Now I want you to provide one solution such that no one will get demotivated after a specific time while developing. Because if you do that, sir, 80% of developers will buy your solution. Are you getting are everyone understanding the question? I will repeat one more time. Some people will get demotivated when they fail. Okay. Like take the interviews, Ray. You go to one interview, you will feel difficulty. Okay, chodo. Second interview you fail. Third interview you fail. Fourth interview you fail. Then you will actually feel it yourself only you are not qualifiable. This thing is coming more recent to these people. In olden times, it's not like that. At the time when you get it 4 fails, fifth one needs to be more courageous. Like 4-1 I failed, fifth one it should be kind of thing. But now people are going in reverse. 4 hours they are working, fifth hour like I don't want to work only. They are sleeping. Now I want you to bring any solution for this. One more thing, your solution has to be in a website kind of thing. Okay? You should not say it like give them chocolate. No. That's not how it goes. Online, is it clear, sir? The solution? Please respond in chat, yes, if you understand the question. Online, please respond to chat if you understand the question. Yes, thank you. Thank you all. Now, tell me, sir, solution kya hai? That's good. So, I will have one website or we will have some app or some Chrome extension like that will automatically asks you to take breaks, and shows some games at that time, right? Like I'm developing in my VS Code, and suddenly after some 2 hours, VS Code say it like, "Chodo, you worked for 2 hours. Now play this game," right? That's nice idea. That's good. Any other? Online also, someone named Rajesh suggested same thing actually. Take specific breaks in between every 1 hour and get refresh and start work tomorrow. See, you are you are not getting into one thing. You should not suggest anything to people. If you say it like people should take it after 1 hour break, people may take it, may not take it. Some people are workaholic, they will work only. You should create an app such that they should make it take. Right? Like kind of reminder system. Okay. Now, that's good. That's good thought. Next. Someone suggesting learning only theoretical aspect of coding can be boring. Integrate fun projects related to interest, example games. No, this is not the learning phase. I think someone SK SK Sabiral. I think they understand question wrong. Question is not about learning coding. You already know the coding. You have to work for 8 hours, and that is what the problem. Conducting a hackathon. Sarfaraj. Do you guys know what is hackathon, Ray? Hackathon bole to 12 hours continuously you will do code, Ray. That is, you are creating more problem, not the solution. No. Sarfaraj, think. Sir. So it's like online community forums. Online community forums to take breaks and discuss. That actually good. Discuss regarding projects. That's actually nice. This can be suggestible and can be a cool project if I can make it. Actually, this is a cool project to do. Now, next one. Someone suggested it like, okay, website, Ravi Kumar. Website like it must show error point and suggest some key points for rectification. Yeah, that is true. What if there are no errors and I want to take the break? That is actually good, Ravi Kumar. Now, next, Marilla Hemant. Our app should tell them a notification for eye exercise or tell them a stretch body exercise. Okay, that is actually good. This will actually help so much health for so many people. You know, software people have so many health issues. Do you know most health issue, most people have it? Laziness. Okay. Slowly, you will become so lazy because you will always sit only. You know, in work from home, actually, even we don't even have it some kind of bath and all also. So we will just work only. Now, make them working on projects which make them interesting for coding. That is true, but it's not your company. Na? Company has to do for their projects. Invent a tool to generate code to reduce time. That's what ChatGPT is for. Yeah. This is exactly the thought of Elon Musk. Invent a new tool to generate code to reduce the time. That's what ChatGPT came. Now people are using it. Will company accept to install these things? If it is something like funny ones, like, you know, someone said it like initial first thing, the first thing someone suggested break and games one, those things company will allow because it will increase the productivity with the capabilities. But someone said it like invest in new tool to generate code or this kind of thing, company will not allow. Company will not allow you to generate codes from any kind of other things. Company allows you to take breaks. Every company will allow you to take breaks because it will increase their productivity, basically. Okay, no one wants you to stress and make it a bad product. I'm happy that people are coming. Nice solution. Instead of time, you said it like instead of time, take breaks based on checkpoint. Breaks based on checkpoint. For example, you said you want to do some kind of login form or some kind of authentication. Once the authentication is done, take the break. Once the registration is done, take the break. Not the based on time. It actually makes sense more than that. Okay. See, people are thinking, and these kind of things will bring you a better developer. Okay. Now, someone said it like while coding, if we give any gaps or errors, some animations pop up through a Chrome extension showing error in a funny way. That is actually good logic, right? I never thought it. Always errors are boring. How if errors are coming in a funny way? This is actually a nice thought. Good. Now, will this all solutions are acceptable? No. But still, these are the solutions to discuss. Then we started to implement. While implementing one solution, we will create another solution. Okay. And again, we will get so many errors. And again, we will solve them. Finally, we stick to one. Whether it will be successful or not, no one knows. And that is how the software development goes. Okay. Now, in the software development, what we are building it, sir. Let's understand some basics of internet. Today, I will start some basics of internet and we'll observe some websites and we'll start building it. Okay. Now, first, internet. What is internet, sir? Sharing of information. No, that is what websites do. Obviously, it's a network. It's a network of networks. Network of networks. Internet network means connection. Network means connection. Like any two things are connected. Like mobile phones have mobile network, right? For example, in this room, imagine all of us are having laptops. All laptops are connected to one system. That is called LAN, local area network, right or not? There is something called MAN, metropolitan area network, only for one city, like cable TV. If you take it city cable or some kind of local channels will be there. Only in that city that local channel will be there. If you go to another city, that will not come. Only for that city that network is there. That is called MAN, metropolitan area network. If you go to WAN, wide area network, it's like one city connected to another city. Like Microsoft is there. Microsoft Bangalore is there. Microsoft Pune is there. Microsoft Chennai is there. Microsoft Hyderabad is there. All these Microsofts can share some kind of common point, and that is called WAN, wide area network. But what if any system in the world connected to any system in the world? It's what internet, which is called network of networks. And also it has a, okay, yes, LAN also, that is true. LAN also, local area network. I explained it. Now here, in short, we have a cute name for it, which is also called WWW. What does it mean? Worldwide Web. So most important thing in interview, they will not ask you what is WWW. You know why? Because everyone knows it. Now, do you know who started it? Like, who was the one created this WWW? Called father of internet. We all use internet now daily. It's an American, obviously. There is no point in it. No, that's actually started by army people. That is, see, army people started in 1960s for only army purposes in US. That is called ARPANET. Okay, American Research for Army kind of thing. Okay, later they changed. WW started by Berners-Lee. That is true. Samiksha online. That is true. It is Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Berners-Lee. He died a year back actually. Tim Berners-Lee created this WWW. He is the one who wrote the first HTML program also. Okay. Now, this Tim Berners-Lee created this WWW and make it to the world, and then comes to the actual website slowly, one by one by one by one. Now my another question: how actually internet works? It would be interesting to think, like, sir, what will happen, sir, if I type google.com? It will come Google website ना? तो वो कैसा आ रहा है? Exactly how it is coming, that google.com. Google.com, will it be stored somewhere na? Imagine google.com is stored in something. Google.com website is there na? The website is in some kind of Singapore server. Imagine that is in Singapore server. How my Google will know, how my internet will know, go to Singapore and bring that only. Right? These websites, how they will follow. Let me bring it up. The process is very simple, sir. Imagine someone from Hyderabad, just type it in browser, also called client. Browsers also called client. Now in the browser, I just typed, it's google.com. What I typed? Google.com. The moment I type it enter, sir, it will go to ISP. It will go to ISP. Any guess what is ISP? Internet Service Provider. Like Jio or Act FiberNet or Airtel, whatever your internet, who is providing you internet. So internet service provider will know that someone named Prasad in Hyderabad, Naresh IT, he just searched it, something named google.com. He wants it. This is most important, boys. If you open an incognito mode search for something also, the ISP will know that. Okay. Everything you do, ISP will have a record. For example, if you go to office will provide you laptop na? The office laptop will be connected to office network. If you open something, office people will see that what you opened. Okay. Now ISP it will go. ISP will collect your location. Then it will be like, oh, he wants google.com from the Hyderabad location. Both the things it will go to DNS. It will go to DNS, domain name system. What is it called? Domain name system. What is this domain name system, sir? Actually, websites will not be stored by domains. Websites stored by IP addresses. Websites stored by IP addresses. IP addresses are like your, for example, imagine I want to call you, but I can't remember all of your people's phone numbers. Right or not? I can't remember your phone numbers, but I wanted to call you guys. What can I do? If I can't remember your phone numbers, what I will do, sir? Seriously? You have one person there. Okay, you need to call that person again and again, but you can't remember the phone number. What you will do? Save the number. Imagine I saved your number as XYZ. It's in my phone. Now, next time, whenever I type XYZ, am I calling XYZ or am I calling you? You only na? Your phone number only na? XYZ is just my name, something. I can put any name. In your phone, so many names will be there. But actually, the actual name, no one knows it. Only the number is important. Similarly, This Google.com is a fake one. That is domain. Domains actually have IP addresses. So where it will be there? In DNS. DNS is like a big dictionary book. It will have domains and the IP addresses. If you give domain, it will give IP address. So then it will go and check it. Oh, google.com, google.com, google.com. Yes, google.com IP address 192.10.4. Something they will give. Immediately my internet will go to a particular address, which is there in Singapore or something. Based on the IP address, it will go to this particular location, Singapore. And then it will request, I want google.com. If the google.com is available, Singapore people will say it like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, it will send. And then HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be combined, will come as website on showing on the screen, browser. This is what the process. Is it clear? That is why if you type it something other than this, like for example, instead of Google, I will say google.com. No. .com. Can you see here an error? Can you see the error here? DNS probe finished NX domain. You can see that. That means when I type this shitty website, something.com, automatically it went to DNS and asked for what is the IP address of this. Obviously, there is no IP address. Then that is what it is coming here. That's why it is checking it like maybe there is some type address. DNS is saying it's not there. Are you getting my point, ma? If DNS is available, it will come, basically. Now, let's go here. So, here, this one is also called client server model. What it is also called? Client server model. Now, in client server model, two things are important. Client request to the server. Client request to the server. And the server response to the client. Simple. Client is asking the server, give me google.com, and the server is giving only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of google.com, and the client combines them. Okay? This is the basic procedure, sir. Now, some people use VPN. If they use VPN, ISP providing DNS, na? At that time, when ISP is providing the location, or when ISP is taking the location, these points, any one of the point, it will get different location. Okay. If you type it best mobiles under 10,000 in Hyderabad, like by sitting Hyderabad, I type it. I go to UK and I type the same thing. Do you get the same result, sir? No, because it will take your location. Are you getting my point, ma? Any doubts here? Are everyone clear? Now, next one. These are the fundamentals, basic things. Next one. Every website also have protocol in URL. Google.com is domain. Google.com is domain. Google.com, Google.co.in. But what is URL, sir? Anyone have any idea URL? Uniform resource locator. That means this whole https://www.google.com. This whole thing, if you are having this much big, this is called URL. Then what is the difference between this one and google.com? This one also have this HTTPS, na? This is called protocol. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure. Protocol बोले तो it is going from one place to another place na. How it is going? That going one. Okay. The transportation of data is called protocol. When it is transporting the data from one point to another point, the transportation may be secure or may not be secure. If it is secure, sir, the website will have, if it is secure, sir, the website will have something kind of this HTTP. If it is secure, it will have HTTPS. If it is not secure, it will have only HTTP. One lock symbol will come in the URL. That lock symbol means secure. Not lock symbol means not secure. Is it clear? Again, the lock symbol doesn't mean website is secure. It only means only going to the website is secure. Website may be something scammer website. I create one website. I will take your information and I will use it however I want. But still I can put that one lock symbol. Going to that one will not do anything wrong. Okay, that is what that lock symbol means. But how it will know, sir, going to that one, how it will know that whether website is secure or not? How do I know that whether you are a graduate or not, sir? By seeing the degree certificate, right or not? Same way, websites also, internet will check website certificate. Every website will have a certificate called SSL. Every website will have some kind of website call, some certificate called SSL, Secure Socket Layer. Websites have one SSL, which is called Secure Socket Layer. It's a certificate. Now, if you are having that certificate, that means the website is good. Okay? Going to that website is good. Then HTTPS will come. What if it's not, sir? Then it will come some kind of C. Can you see here on the top? Can you see not secure? Is there any lock symbol, sir? No. Why? Because this one is not having any kind of HTTPS. This is a normal HTTP. Obviously, when it is checking this website ka certificate, this website is not having any certificate because website is only not there. Simple. Any doubts, ma? Is everything clear, sir, till now? Because you are a full stack developer now, slowly you will see the sites and you need to know this basic words. Domain kya hai, server kya hai, okay, client kya hai, or URL kya hai, or protocol kya hai. That's it. Just if you know the bit enough, you don't need to do into more research. You are not network developer. You are just some normal developer. Okay. Now, SSL certificate will buy. Or some kind of websites are there which will give certificates for free. Like some kind of sites are there which are free SSL. Some websites free SSL sites or SSL for free. These websites will give SSL certificate for free. Normal people will buy it, but it won't cost much. Okay. Now, any doubts, sir? Any doubts, sir? Is it clear? Now, next question. Next question. Now comes to the online. Two people ask two questions. Both will be answered now. Now, my question is, what is the difference between, slowly we'll get it, difference between Google Chrome, Google.com. What is the difference between Google Chrome and Google.com? Do you know three are there actually? Do you know actually there three are different at least? Right? Now, one by one Adrita. First, Google. Google is nahi. Google is what is Google? Search engine. Google is search engine. Search engine. See, first Google is a search engine, sir. Later only that is company. Okay? Google is search engine. Now, what the search engine will do, sir? Search engine will be like, for example, I go to Google, sir. I went to Google and I write it here. Best mobiles under 20,000. Automatically I get so many results, right or not? Why it is showing it only this websites on the top? See, for example, there is one kind of Amazon.in. Okay, it is showing it best mobiles, it is showing Amazon.in. Why it is not showing Instagram on the top? Or why it is not showing Facebook on the top? Or maybe some kind of something W3 schools. Why it is not showing W3 schools here? Because W3 schools will not have any keyword regarding best mobiles under 20,000. That website will do different code. Right or not? So, Google, what it will do, the search engines, it release crawlers. Search engines will release crawlers. Crawlers means bots. Okay, it's some kind of bots will be there. These crawlers to search all websites for specific keywords. Like I typed best mobile for 20,000 now. Those keywords will be checked in all websites. Okay, and that websites also should be mobile friendly. That websites also should not have something wrong things. That websites also should look something so good. That websites also should not have any errors. In that case, if the website is also having more traffic, then it will give ranking. Then it will give ranking and show accordingly. That means first rank website will come up, second rank website will come second, third rank website will come third. So what if my website is having it like 10th rank? 10th, my website may have it like 1 lakh rank also. If you go to the top, now here it is not showing it actually, but earlier it used to show how many results are there. If you go to this one, you will have, okay, now Google is showing this 1 to 10 and all. Now if I go to 10th page, now go down. Now see, do you know how many pages it will come? Any guess? Any guess, sir? How many pages it will come? 100. 100 pages it will come. Okay. It might still go up also, more than that. Now basically 100 pages will come. What if my website is in the 100th page? Will anyone go to that page and see my site, sir? No. 99.9% of the people will go into only first page. So your website should get only first ranking or second ranking or third ranking. That's it. No other choice. How do you make your website to top ranking, sir? That is called search engine optimization. What it is called? Search engine. That means you will understand how search engine giving ranking so that you will write it accordingly. Okay. In school days, we used to have one sir and he used to give marks for only long answers. Then even for short questions, we used to write long answers so that we will get marks. Similarly, now if we know how the Google give ranking, we would also make our website according to that only, so that it will give better ranking to us. That is called search engine optimization, SEO in short form. Okay. Now, go here. Next. What are the search engines you know? Tell me what are the search engines you know, sir? Google. Any other? DuckDuckGo. That is really good. DuckDuckGo. Yahoo. True. Any other? Firefox is a browser. Bing. True. Online, someone suggested Algolia. I don't know. I never heard it. Let's go here. Algolia. AI search that understand. It's not a search engine, Ray. Is it a search engine? Okay, I don't know. Algolia libraries to build no, Algolia is not a search engine. It's like a searching functionality. Like in your website, if you want searching functionality, you will use Algolia, but it's not a search engine. Something like Yandex. Yandex is true. Yandex is true. In your project, if you want to put it any such kind of functionality, you will use that Algolia, but it's not a search engine. Yandex is true, or something like Brave search is there. Brave search is there separately. True. Bing I already mentioned. YouTube search is there. YouTube search is also a kind of search engine only. Only for videos you will do search. ChatGPT is not a search engine, na? It will not search the internet. It will just give you one-to-one person model. Hostinger is not a search engine, sir. It's a hosting website. Come on. You know, you did not give the one of the top second search engine. What's the world's second search engine? First one is Google, na? Do you know who is second? Baidu. It's a Chinese one. Baidu. Whole China will use Baidu only. Okay, because they banned Google. Okay. For example, Korean people use Naver. Korean also don't use Google. You go here, Naver. Naver search. Why it's coming? Naver. Korean one. Courier searching one. Or Naver. Or you have something called start page. Start page is also privacy site. Most people use the start page and DuckDuckGo. Why? Because start page and DuckDuckGo will not check your history. Privacy will be there. It will not check it like what you are searching for. But Google will store everything you search. Everything you search, Google will know that. Okay. So that's why people prefer these things. There are so many other start engines also, like you and all kind of thing. Next, second one, Google Chrome. What is Google Chrome, sir? What is Google Chrome? Google, first we understand Google search engine हो गया. उसके बाद Google Chrome क्या है? Browser, not an application. Basically, it's a browser. Browser is itself an application, it's a standalone one, but basically browsers will do different work. Browsers will do browser internet. Imagine internet is not there. What you will use, sir, browser? You will not use only. अरे इंटरनेट नहीं है रे, सडनली इंटरनेट चल गया तो ब्राउजर में क्या करता तुम? डायनासोर गेम यू कैन प्ले. ट्रू. Dinosaur. You all played, sir, dinosaur game? Did anyone won, sir? No, na? Happy. I also never won. Now, it's like if you won, sir, I will ask you to leave. Simple. Because you are more than me then. So simple. Dinosaur game, any other? Your history will be stored. Or password. Passwords can be stored. Storage. Basically storage. You know, browsers can store the data. Browsers actually stores the data. Cookies and all, browser storing only. Cookies, cache memory. Or, browsers, you can read something, PDFs and all. Using browser, you can read it. In browser, you can watch movies also, right? Any movie you can open also. Movies also you can watch. And browsers will do multitasking. This is the most important point. Browsers will open multiple tabs at a time. It will work easily. Multitasking. I will show you one storage example also. Like for example, let me open in incognito mode something called Flipkart. Did I log in, sir, here? Check it, sir. Simple example. Did I log in here? No. Let's go down. Let's go to some kind of electronics. Let's go down. Let's go here. Let's go here. If I click on add to cart, will it be added to the cart or not? No, why? To add to the cart, you need to be? No, it will add. Product is now out of stock. Very bad. It will be added, right? Don't worry. Seriously. See, added. Now, let me show you the trick. Now, see, I added items now. All the 4 items which I added are there. Okay, even though it's not there, but still it's added. Now here these are there. Okay, achha. Now, imagine I just go to Google in this. Now is the Flipkart is there, sir? I just changed it. Now if I open Flipkart again, will that 4 will be stored or not? Logically, it should not be, na? Because to store that, you should be login in. But it will. Because that 4 is storing in the browser. You close the browser, sir. If you close the browser and open incognito again, it will not be there. Until or unless you close the browser, whatever you do in the browser, it will store. That is browser memory. Browsers also have the storage. For example, Amazon will not use this approach. Amazon store it in login only. If you add to cart, Amazon will say it like login first. Okay, but Flipkart is like, no, store it in the browser so that user may come and check it at another time. Different people goes with different, but this is possible. Are you getting my point, sir? It's a new one, and we will learn in JavaScript classes how to do that local storage. Now, let's go here. Every browser will have their own browser engines. Okay, like for example, Google Chrome have browser engine called V8. For Chrome, browser engine is for Chrome will have their own browser engine. Example, Chrome browser engine is V8. And Firefox have a browser engine something like SpiderMonkey. Or Edge is having browser engine called some browser engine called Chakra. Like this, every browser will have their own browser engines, and based on the browser engines, the browsers works differently. Their main goal is same, but each and every browser, how they look or how they behave will be different. Na? That is based on this browser engine only. Inside this browser engine only, your JavaScript will run. Is it clear, ma? That's why your website will be shown in different browsers differently. In my laptop, if I open one browser and another browser, the compatibility may change. In another browser, my website may not come in the same way. That is because every browsers have different search engine, browser engines. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Online, someone asked earlier this question, what is a browser engine? That's what I'm saying it. Okay. Now, till now, any doubts? Is it clear, ma? Next. Google is over. Google Chrome is over. Now, Google.com. What is Google.com, sir? What is Google.com? Website. Google.com is a website, sir. Google is a search engine. Google Chrome is a browser. Google.com is a website, sir. Any website. Website means collection of web pages. A website means collection of web pages. A website means collection of web pages. Like one website have multiple pages, sir. All these pages combinedly will call it as some kind of site, which is website. Tell me what are the popular websites you know? Except e-commerce and social media platforms. Tell me any of the sites, Ray. We will review them. GitHub, okay, that is true. It's a nice site. We will discuss it. Someone in the online mentioned one nice site which is called Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Any other websites you know, sir? Ruby, UPI. What is that? Oh, I don't know. Nice. Someone said it W3 schools. Schools. That's okay. Oh, someone said it Naresh IT Technologies. Yes, nareshitechnologies.com is there. nareshit.com. Now if you see this all websites are this Stack Overflow or this one, when you observe the websites, you will observe some kind of designs. Okay. Now let's take this Ubisoft. It's a plain black and white. Okay. Or some kind of pink color. See, everywhere they are using the same pink color. Right? See their numbers, see their things. Right or not? So they are following. Sir, if first one I put it in pink, second one I put it in red, third one I put it in blue, will it be good, sir? But it is possible now. You can put the websites however you want it, but how you put it, look matters. Today we are gonna discuss again about how the websites look and what is that matter, UI and UX. Okay. Now let's see some kind of google.com. I will change some kind of background. Now the same google.com, imagine I designed the google.com like this. Now If I design the whole website in a pink like this, now it will give a good vibe to women or kids. Okay. But imagine the same thing if I try to do some kind of the same site here instead of pink, if I say red. Background red. Now see, will anyone use my website, sir, if I use this? But it is same. Actually, if you type something, it will give same results. Right or not? Right or not? I did not change any logic. Google is Google only. But still, how it appears matters. Some websites look shitty. Some websites look so good. And their appearance, their colors, their fonts, everything matters in the website designing. And a normal website, if you want to do web development, yesterday we discussed full stack web development, how it works. Did you all remember, sir? For the people who are not there also, I will tell it, don't worry. Web development process. Now we will come to UI UX process in this anyway. Web development process. This is also called software development life cycle, SDLC. In your software learning, you will get it. First one we will find, let's come to this point. Slowly we'll go. Imagine I have a pizza restaurant. Now you come to me, and you said it, I'm a web developer. I know how to build a websites, and you need to have a website, and you convinced me. Okay. So now I paid you some money to create a website. Is it clear till now? Now I paid. Now what is the first step you will do? Are you getting my point, sir? Are you all understanding the question? You are a web developer. I said it, okay, build. Then what is the first step you will do? Requirements. You will ask me, what kind of site you want, Ray? In that, what facilities you want? Do you want active card? Do you want it like a payment gateway, or do you want it only form and get the details? Do you want it your WhatsApp or not? Everything you will ask me. First thing you will do is requirements. You will note it down all the requirements. Right? Then after requirements, okay, I said it, my website look like this. My website, I wanted a site, okay, where it will have all my pizzas, and people will click add to cart, and it will go to the cart, and people will pay the money. When they are paying money, they will pay their phone number, and I will get their phone number and order details, and I will deliver them. Simple. Any doubts here? No, this is my site. Now, what is the next thing you will do after the requirements? Present the design. Requirements are done. Then you need to do design, na kind of blueprint. Okay. Sir, you need to give a design, sir. Why design is important? Because it's not like in YouTube or something, people will not create the websites directly. People first should have some clarity what we are building. Okay. So if you said to me that you want a website, then I will show you like some design. For example, Figma, pizza restaurant. Now, the moment you said it, imagine I just created something, and I will show you. I will just show you like this. Why it is not coming? It's coming too slowly. So I will design one website, sir, and I will show you. Your website will look like this on the top, and this is your header, home, about, menu, contact, and this is your main screen where you will have at the center some name and some kind of the things and one nice image. Okay, now you will have an about us section down. It will have some kind of image like this, and then you will have a menu section where people will see the menus like this, where they will have all starters, main course, drinks. When they click on main, only main course will come. It will have the 25 something dollar and amount and all will be there. And it will show all the menu. Then it will also show some kind of other things if you want it, like other menus or something. Then it will show you some contact form. Like this, you will design the website. Did I created any website? Did I code anything? No. I just did some kind of images. These all are images only, na? I will just show him images. Then he will be confident. Ah, I got the images. Now I know this is what my website look like. Now this design, whatever the design people do, there will be some people called UI UX developers. UI UX developers or designers. UI UX designers. These people will do this particular design and they will send it to front end people. They will send it to, so it's like already it is decided what color to put, what image to put, what font to put, what size to put, everything they decided. They will give complete image. Now front end people has to make that image come in online. Okay. Now they will give the next part is coding part. In coding, front end people will do, and front end will connect to back end through API. There will be some API which will connect front end and back end will connect it to databases. After the coding, what you will do, sir? Testing. After the testing, you will do deploy, you will put the site into live, and then you will maintain the site. This is what the basic processor. Deploy means put that site into live. For example, you build the site, you need to upload the site into AWS or cloud or somewhere, na? So that people will see the site. Okay. Until that, your website will be in your system or something local environment. But it should go to the live. So hosting there or somewhere something you will buy and then you will put that site into there. Okay. Sorry. Now, any more, sir? Any doubts? Anyone have any doubts here till now? We will discuss design today and tomorrow. Okay, we will discuss the designs and then we will do some kind of coding. Okay, what is you have to do to say truly? You have to know all of this. I will tell you what is design, what is UI, what is UX, everything we will discuss. But this is what the things you should know. How to deploy, how to do basic testing, how to do maintain, everything you will know in future slowly. Maintain is like DevOps, some kind of pipelines or Kubernetes or something kind of one. Is it clear, ma? This is a basic processor. Someone is asking how Figma designs are changed to working websites. They don't change. You have to do coding. Okay. Now, till now, anyone have any doubts? Till now, anyone have any doubts? Is it clear? Dear, is it clear now, everyone? Now, let's go. Now, let's go to the designing part. Design. UI and UX. First one. What is UI, sir? User interface. What is UX, sir? User experience. Does anyone know what is the difference? Sorry. UX వాళ్ళు UI and UX both will design the site. No one create the site. But UI think about how it looks. UI people will think it like how it will look. Only for looks. How it looks. But UI UX people will think about how it feels. Both are front end only, sir. Okay. UI UX both are basically how it looks and how it will feel. Like for example, imagine you went to a restaurant. Okay, let me show it to you. Imagine you went to a nice restaurant, sir. Okay. Now it has some kind of nice lightings, it has some kind of nice cushions, nice tables, everything, ambience is so good, nice music is there. Will you go to order or not? Right? Nice, na? Good. Now you sit and you ordered. The food is worst. Will you go to the restaurant again? Imagine the waiters are behaving with you badly. Will you go to the restaurant again? Imagine the services are bad. Will you go to the restaurant again? No. Here two things are important. First one is the moment how it looks. First one is how it looks. Imagine the restaurant is only looking some kind of unhygienic. You will not even order. Everywhere flies are there, something not looking good or not having proper chairs. You will not even go there. But if it is looking good, you will go there and you will check your experience for that. If experience is also good, obviously you will go to the restaurant again. If experience bad, then you will not go. Here two things are important. One is like how it looks, another one is how it feels. Let me give you the same thing in the website perspective. Like for example, one website, for example, a website having nice colors, okay, buttons and proper padding and all. Padding means some kind of spaces, okay, proper paddings and all. Now you like to visit that website. You are okay to visiting website. Let me give you an examples. Go here, type it here, IRCTC. See how it is looking, IRCTC. I'm getting it ads here, left side, top, this. Now, check it here, website, AbhiBus. Which one is looking good, sir? Which one is looking good for you? IRCTC. I will go for AbhiBus, darling. Okay. So I think AbhiBus is looking good because it is having a cleaner UI. Okay. So first one, it should go with something a nice simple UI. Okay. Now it's looking more simple, more good. Then I will like to book it here. See, this is what AbhiBus train booking. This is what IRCTC train booking. I like to go with simple one, AbhiBus. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? No. Imagine I tried to type it here, some kind of names. Now when I go here, it is giving me enter from something. It is only giving me the name. Na? If I type it here, something name. See, it is giving some kind of name suggestion, right or not? Imagine the name suggestion is not there. I have to type whole thing, Vijayawada Junction, I have to type. Will the people like it, sir? Because that's your experience is bad. Are you getting my point, ma? Okay. And I clicked it here, okay, something. I just clicked it here, some kind of search. Immediately it is showing nice results, na? But instead of showing it results, it will ask me, please enter your Aadhaar card, then only I will show you the results. No, I don't like it. Imagine you are so hungry and open Zomato and you went to the checkout. And when you are checking out, it is asking you, enter your phone number, enter your parent number, enter your Aadhaar card, something, then only I will order. Right? It should make it some kind of simple. Instead, making the user complex. If user experience is bad, it will give. So, for example, take this. Now here, see, it is asking me immediately login. Do I like it, sir? No, obviously. When I log in it also, I can't see where do I have to type it because it is filled with ads and all. UI is bad, UX is also bad. But here UI is good, UX is also good. It is having only one color, similar color it is going on. It is combined with everything. Are you getting my point, sir? Let's take the Google only, one example. If I go here, now Google is giving these numbers, na? Actually, this one is a bad UX. Why? Because people are having this paginations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, imagine I try to click on third one. There might be a chance the second one get clicked and fourth one might clicked. Because the numbers in laptop it's fine. Imagine I opened this in mobile phone. If I try to click the third one, the second one get tabbed. What will happen? Automatically, I will go to another page which I don't want. Okay. So that kind of thing will give bad experience. That's why if you open this Google search in mobile phone, you will not get this number. You will have infinite scrolling. You will scroll only the second page also. Are you getting my point, sir? User, how they interact, and how they feel. Both is important. Looking wise, it should be marvelous, and feeling wise also it should be marvelous. You should not make the people more and more trouble. Is what a basic logic of any website. Let me give any case study. Give me, tell me any one site which you know, which you want. Go here, apple.com. See the UI. When I go down, see how it is looking. When I go here, only for that mobile, see this? See how it is looking. When I go down, it is coming some kind of 3D site. Click to turn, explore. Click and turn. See? And see how much nice the UI is. The people will feel it great for this. If I select this, so that it is giving users some kind of nice options, automatically users will able to understand it, how it will look. This makes user experience good, user interface is also good. Any doubt, sir? But every time this kind of 3D one will not work nicely. Sometimes it works nicely, sometimes it don't. But it's good. Bring me any worst websites. One of the worst websites, SBI. See the SBI website. ICICI. See the ICICI website. Are you getting my point, sir? Okay. You can able to understand it, the difference between 10 rupees biryani and the 1000 rupees one by seeing it. Okay. Now, based on these things, like sometimes if you open any government websites, I think Aadhaar websites will be there. Aadhaar websites will be there. Aadhaar UID or something will be there. I don't know. UID, yeah. These websites are too slow. It will check your patience basically. See, this is one of the worst user experience. It is showing blank screen only. At least it should show something loading button, right? Now the website is loading. Okay, happy. It will take 10 minutes. That is also okay to me. But at least what is happening there? No one knows. It's coming directly blank. After 10 minutes, it will directly show you the screen. But instead of that, this 10 minutes, what if it shows like we are coming, we are loading, we will come in a minute, wait for us, something it should show now. But instead it will do this kind of things. Because government websites, when they design, they will not think about how it will look nice or bad. That's the worst thing. And their servers are also bad. See this English welcome, Hindi. See how much bad it is. Telugu, why it is repeated? When I go here, English welcome. Now again, this one goes slow. Are you understanding, sir? What is good, what is bad? Good UI versus bad UI. Sir, they don't have files managed into HTML perfectly and separately. Yes, it is true. They don't manage them nicely. Most of the sites actually built by something TCS only. Okay. Now, IRCTC built by TCS, if I'm not wrong. Then Union Bank websites, any websites, any government banks will be bad only. I don't think it's good. No, it's good, looking good, eh? Better than SBI, it's looking too good. Right? They maintain one color, they maintain one nice standard. This is better, if I'm not wrong. This is looking good. Good. Okay. So just observe the websites. When you go to the websites, you check the websites, what is good UI and what is good UX. Now, you went to Swiggy, you ordered samosa. When you are going to check out, it will show you, do you want sauce also? It will increase their sales. Also, it will give user a simple, nice experience. Okay. But imagine I ordered samosa and it showed me something like, do you want biryani? It's not something good actually. Are you getting my point, ma? Okay. So you have to think this is all about the thing psychology only. Now, not only UI and UX, you know what is main important in UI first? To make it UI, you need to have three important things. First one is color. Second one is font. Third one is layout. Color is so important when you are designing the websites because each and every color psychologically will have an effect on your mind. Tomorrow we'll do Figma actually. Tomorrow we'll create our own Figma. Okay. I will design one website in front of you in Figma. If you have laptops, bring it on so that you can also design with me. Now, why color is important? Now I will show you some websites. You tell me why that website chooses that color. Okay. Now think, just think, it's all about thinking only. Now, Myntra is going with pink everywhere. Can anyone guess pink, orange, yellow, green? Mostly it's going with pink. Can anyone guess why? It's used by most of the women's. Myntra, is there anyone who uses Myntra from starting? Myntra initial logo is not this. Okay, if you type it here, okay, Myntra journey. No, not this images. Why it's everywhere this only? Old logos used to be there. Myntra old used to be something different actually. But still, now this orange indicates men and the dark orange indicates men and the light orange indicates kids. Okay, that's what the total Myntra and kind of attraction also. Myntra also say it like we are connected kind of thing in this particular yum only. That's why they connected everything. Okay, and listen, they did not put pink only for attraction. They put it pink to attract women basically. Let's take the brand. Yes, I will open one brand. Now you tell me why black. It's men. Basically. Now it's a simple one men. Azio. Or goes with some kind of first cry. Why they design their logos like that is important. Now see this here. Can you see how many colors are there? See, it is having multiple colors, kind of crayons, right? Why do they put multiple colors, sir? Because it's for kids. Because kids goes with multiple colors, sir. If they put one color, it may not be great. Okay. Or if I go for some kind of sites like, okay, Flipkart, it goes with blue. Everywhere blue and orange. Can you see blue and yellow? See, you go here, see this image. Can you see this image of Buddhi one and this one? And if you see this one image, everywhere they are having the blue color and the yellow color only. Right? Their names and all. Why they are having only those two colors? Because that's what the brand is for. Brand will choose some colors. Go to Netflix, it will have always the red color only. You go to the Netflix website, everywhere red color only. That's what their brand. Vodafone used to be in that red color only. Okay. Jio will go to the blue color. But every color will have some kind of, impact into your mind. You have a color, but color will have an impact on your mind. But your website, see this website, everywhere blue color only. Can you see that? Why everywhere blue color? Because the moment they are showing it like, the moment they see this blue color, they should remember Jio. That's what their brand thought. Netflix is like the moment they see this red color anywhere, future, they will remember Netflix Ray Isa. That's what their brand. They should be used to represent the brand. In childhood, we used to call red as Vodafone Red. Okay, because that Vodafone Red is something so good. Hey, are you all getting it, ma? Are you okay? Like instead of some red, we will say rose red, some kind of jasmine white. Why? Because that's a brand. Simple thing. When you create your brand, you should think about who is your target audience. Based on your target audience, you will create it. Red bus. It goes with that red color. But instead of going, why don't they go with a pure red? If they go with pure red, it will not look good. Why? Because it is for traveling. If you show red, they will remember blood and they will not travel. Right or not? So that's why they decreased it. Now you go with something like Habibus. Now check it here. Now why this Mahesh Baba has to wear only that color t-shirt? He can wear blue color one, he can wear yellow color one, he can wear anything, na? But why they put only the photo with that color? Because their brand is that color. Amoeba's logo is that color. So everywhere they put that color only. Are you getting my point, sir? Now onwards, when you check it any website, some websites like mostly LMS websites, Udemy and all, goes with violet or blue color, like Great Learning or Intershala or something kind of one. Or simply learn blue color or violet color, they will go. If you go with something learning platforms like W3 Schools, Geeks for Geeks, they go with green colors. I think W3 Schools goes with complete green color. Everywhere their brand is green color only. If you go to something site like Geeks for Geeks, they goes with green color again, everywhere. Because they want to build their brand according to it. Any example from your side? Tomorrow we'll build it, our own brand. But before that, any example from your side? Tell me any one website which you observed similar to this. Tell me any website name, Ray. Facebook is having blue color because actually it has a story also. He is having some kind of eye blindness. Because of that, he went to his blue color. But it is true. This Facebook is having this kind of same color. Everywhere the same blue color will be there. LinkedIn also will go with that blue color only. Kind of dark blue. Huh? Intershala. Intenshala. That's blue color only. True. Adobe. True. Adobe brand will have their own color. Red, I think. Yeah, Adobe red. They are having blue also. This one. Blue and red. Any other? Meesho. Is Meesho still alive? I think Meesho died long back. No. Low quality prices, best quality prices. This is the biggest lie. Now, you know the only reason Meesho is surviving because it is selling it for low price. That's it. But worst quality. Now here Meesho is having some kind of what color also I don't know. It's between pink and black. They just mix it, right? It's a pink only, everywhere pink only, but only the logo they mixed it pink and black. Okay, some kind of steamish one. But I think Meesho also only girls use. I never seen any guy use Meesho only. Do anyone shop from Meesho, sir? You, sir? Yes. Now, any other? Tell me your websites, Ray. Which websites you daily go? Huh? Zoom in. Okay. That's a nice website which will go Zoom color only, na? Oh, Zoom info is different. It's not Zoom. Oh, that's a color. What is this kind of orange color? Orange basically means some kind of energy. You know, every colors will have this kind of one. I think I remember some kind of in Insta or somewhere I read one post regarding it. But actually it's true. Every color will have some kind of impact. True. Good, good, good. Nice. It is having same color everywhere. That's what the brand. Nice, nice website. UI wise, this website is so good. I never tried it, so UX I don't know. Nika. Nika is basically women's. 100% pink. See? No doubt at all. Nika is beauty products, so women only. Imagine if they did not go with pink, if they go with some kind of black or another color, it will not go only. Okay. Okay, next one. Let's go here. Quick bus. Yeah. That's it. Let's search for QuickBuzz and we'll end it. Green. By the way, no one will care for QuickBuzz UI because we don't go for QuickBuzz anything. Just we will open it and we'll close it. QuickBuzz. We'll not do any other thing. Any other, sir? Bike? I never know this. What is this? So who is your target audience? Bike rider. So that's why people put it black color here. Bike wale. They put it black color here. So because they may think it like goes with boys. Yeah. Usually bike riders prefer dark. Any other, sir? So today observe sites into their UI and UX, and tomorrow we will learn Figma and we will build our own brands tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Those sites will do, so that you will understand it how the site's design can be done. If you have any idea to build, also bring it me tomorrow. I will build that only. Sir, I wanted a website, some kind of regarding that or regarding this. That only will build. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you all. Bye bye. Our classes are there on weekend. Yes. Monday to Friday, Saturday. Only Sunday is rest. Thank you. Bye bye.